Namaste. Hamesha khush raho betiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Agriculture in Veterinary Sciences and in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am teaching you 4 P's of marketing in entrepreneurship portfolio subject and discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is marketing? Marketing is a total system of interacting business activities designed to plan, price, and promote and distribute want satisfying products and services to the present and potential customers. It is a process that seeks to influence voluntary exchange transactions between a customer and a marketer. It is deciding how to offer something specific customers crave and then engaging customers and then other stakeholders to separate preference and delighting a consumer customer and or user to achieve a profit or other pre-established goal. Summarizing the marketing, is the process for engaging a target market of consumers or other users to ultimately sell a product profitably, which are unfulfilled needs. And then term 4 P's of marketing. The 4 P's of marketing, the marketing mix become popularized after Neil H. Borden published his 1964 article. The concept of the marketing mix, Borden began using the term in his teaching in the late 1940s after James Culliton had described the marketing manager as a mixture of ingredient. The ingredients in the Borden's marketing mix included product planning, pricing, branding, distribution channels, personal selling, advertising, promotions, packaging, display, servicing, physical handling, and fact finding and analysis. E. Jerome McCarthy later grouped these four ingredients into the four categories that today are known as 4 P's of marketing. What is the 4 P's of marketing? These are the four elements with which the marketer accomplishes his value delivering task. These elements are termed as 4 P's of marketing. These are product, place, promotion, and price. All 4 P's work together to achieve customer satisfaction as well as to meet the goal of organization. As shown in the diagram, there are many sub-factors which are governing 4 P's, which can be explained as below. The marketing mix is divided into four categories or 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion, where product includes design, quality, functionality, technology, branding, packaging, services, availability, and warranty of the product. Then price include the strategy, list price, discount, allowances, payment period, credit term, and payment methods. Whereas place includes trade channel, coverage, assortments, locations, inventory, transportation, logistics, e-commerce. And promotion includes the advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relations, direct marketing, corporate identity, form of promotion. Then first P is product. The term product refers to the tangible physical products as well as services. Here are some examples of the product decisions to be made. That is brand name, functionality, styling, quality, safety, packaging, repairs and support, warranty, and accessories and services. Price. Some examples of pricing decisions to be made include pricing strategy, that is scheme or penetration, then suggested retail price, volume discounts and wholesale pricing, cash and early payment discount, seasonal pricing, bundling, price flexibility, price discrimination. Place. Place is decisions. Distribution is about getting the products to the customer. Some examples of the distribution decisions include distribution channels, market coverage, specific channel members, inventory management, warehousing, distribution centers, order processing, transportation, reverse logistics. Then promotion. In the context of the marketing mix, Promotion represents the various aspects of marketing communication, that is, the communication of information about the product with the goal of generating a positive customer response. Marketing communication decisions include promotional strategy, advertising, personal selling and sales force, sales promotions, public relations and publicity, marketing communications budget. Then marketing mix example of iPhone, where product is advanced smartphone, leading edge performance, high resolution camera, vast app ecosystem. Price is 68,000 to 75,000 depending on the configuration and discounted if bought with data tariffs. Place direct from Apple, sold by mobile phone networks, most electronic retailers and e-tailers. Then promotion, widespread launch, PR, social media, extensive online and other media advertising product placement. Limitations of the marketing mix framework. The marketing mix framework was particularly useful in the early days of the marketing concept when physical products represented a larger portion of the economy. Today, with marketing more integrated into organization and with a wider variety of the products and markets, some authors have attempted to extend its usefulness by proposing a fifth P, such as packaging, people, process, etc. Today, however, the marketing mix most commonly remains based on the four Ps, despite its limitations and perhaps because of its simplicity. The use of this framework remains strong and many marketing textbooks has been organized around it. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much.